I wonder if you were expecting us to talk on this topic. What do you think about the title? Before we get into the technical details, let me know what you mean by an e-commerce platform in the comments section below. I will be looking forward to your answers. Also, if you are one of our subscribers, we are thankful to have you here. Without any further delay, let us start. This video will first tell you about an e-commerce platform and how it works. Then, I will tell you about the new B2B e-commerce platform. Are you ready? E-commerce refers to acquiring and selling activities that take place via the internet. An e-commerce platform is a software program that allows the merchant and the customer to perform their respective roles. SaaS, software as a service platforms, are ideal for small businesses or those just starting. Platforms like Shopify, Squarespace, and WooCommerce are preferable for small enterprises that need to get up and run quickly. Because no single e-commerce platform can provide everything to all clients, while selecting a venue, evaluate what specific demands you want it to meet. One option is to select a flexible platform that the company can tweak with extra plugins and add-ons. Other factors influencing a company's platform selection include the search feature, payment methods, security level, and how the platform integrates with a bigger campaign. If a firm wants to establish an e-commerce website, it should first define its business goals for that platform. For example, if they are a store or a B2C company, they will seek to boost income from that channel, and they want to supplement their non-online outlets, i.e., their brick-and-mortar shop. A platform may also have security features and connectors to extend into new channels. The objectives of large and small merchants are vastly different. Some typical mistakes made by businesses include selecting the incorrect platform, failing to focus on search engine optimization, and having a weak SEO plan. Customization can also cause issues for businesses. Any merchant who takes credit card payments must adhere to PCI security rules. Now let me first tell you about Sufin. Then I will tell you a little about why Sufin was brought about and a little about the company that introduced it. Larsen & Toubro has created an e-commerce portal for business-to-business industrial goods and services. The portal, known as L&T Sufin, is aimed at both major firms and MSMEs looking to acquire industrial supplies and obtain unsecured financing. The firm charges a 1.5% transaction fee on the whole transaction. It also demands an enrollment fee and other equipment such as portal advertising. Larsen & Toubro Limited is an Indian multinational company interested in engineering, building, manufacturing technology, and financial services. The corporation is ranked among the top 5 construction firms in the globe. 2 Danish engineers who sought asylum in India during World War II created it. L&T Group will have 118 subsidiaries, 6 associates, 25 joint ventures, and 35 joint operations firms by 2020. Following the independence of India in 1947, the business established operations in Calcutta, Madras, and New Delhi. In 1948, 55 acres of unmanaged marsh and forest in Powai, Mumbai were purchased. Among the businesses established during the 1960s were Utmal, Audco India Limited, Eutectic Welding Alloys, and Tangle. The company was chosen as a participant in constructing nuclear reactors in 1965. Dr. Homi Bhabha approached L&T first to fabricate essential components for atomic reactors. L&T was contracted to cooperate with the Indian Space Research Organization in the 1970s. Through DRDO, the company now manufactures various armament and missile systems, management and control systems, engineering systems, and submarines. Following a string of triumphs and favorable policy measures, the company now accounts for the lion's share of the group's yearly income. With that, we have come to the end of the video. If you like the content we create, consider supporting us by liking the video and sharing it with your friends. Also, comment below and let me know what you think about the e-commerce platforms. I would love to read your comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated.